Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 6 Cavan Avenue in Renown Park. I've got an absolutely smashing location directly opposite a beautiful park with playgrounds and cricket nets and tennis courts and only 2 k's through to North Adelaide. It's a prime location and it's a beautiful home. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living, and it's super neat and tidy. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? There you have it. It's super neat and tidy. It's been freshly painted and the high ceilings and the room sizes are absolutely awesome. But most of all, I absolutely love this location. The beautiful parklands, the closeness to the city. It's the perfect lifestyle for a young couple or someone looking to downsize. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.